Welcome back to Motovision, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. If you're a car enthusiast, a pickup lover, or just curious about what's rolling out in 2026, you've clicked on the right video. Today we're taking a deep look at the all-new Chevrolet S10, a mid-size truck that's making serious waves with its modern upgrades, impressive powertrain, and a refreshed design that merges rugged utility with everyday comfort. The Chevrolet S10 has been a staple in the mid-size pickup market for years, especially in Latin America and other international markets. Known for its reliability, off-road capability, and no-nonsense approach to utility, the S10 has always appealed to drivers who need a tough workhorse without sacrificing drivability. Now in 2026, Chevrolet has gone the extra mile to update the S10 for a new generation, and what they've done is quite remarkable. First, let's talk design. From the outside, the 2026 S10 gets a bold new appearance that draws clear inspiration from Chevrolet's global truck lineup. The front end features a more aggressive grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a more muscular stance. The hood has subtle contours that add to its rugged look, and the new front bumper integrates fog lights and aerodynamic lines that not only improve airflow but give it a tougher presence on the road. The side profile remains traditional with clean lines, strong wheel arches, and updated alloy wheel designs that range from 17 to 20 inches depending on the trim. Around back, the rear tailgate is now embossed with the Chevrolet name, flanked by sleek LED taillights and a more functional step bumper. For those who like customization, Chevy is offering more trim options, new paint colors, and multiple grille styles to suit personal tastes. The bed itself has been refined with better tie-down systems, a more durable spray and liner, and even optional power outlets for worksite tools or tailgate parties. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet S10 offers improved performance thanks to updated engine options. The base model continues with a reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder, but the highlight is the new 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel, which has been tuned for greater torque and fuel efficiency. This engine is perfect for those who demand pulling power and endurance. Chevrolet claims towing capacity has increased, making it one of the most capable mid-size trucks in its category. A new 8-speed automatic transmission also comes standard, providing smoother shifts and better fuel economy compared to the outgoing 6-speed. Off-road enthusiasts will be happy to know that the Z71 off-road package is back and better than ever. With improved suspension travel, underbody protection, terrain modes, and an updated 4x4 system, the S10 is more trail-ready than ever. Whether it's sand, mud, or rocky terrain, this truck is built to handle it. Now, step inside, and you'll see one of the most significant overhauls in the S10's evolution. The interior is more refined and user-friendly, with a focus on both technology and durability. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a horizontal layout that gives it a wide, modern feel. Front and center is a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, 10 inches on higher trims, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and an intuitive user interface. Just behind the steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster offers customizable views of speed, fuel economy, navigation, and off-road data. The materials used throughout the cabin feel more upscale than ever before, especially in higher trims, which feature soft-touch panels, contrast stitching, and leather seats. But even in the more rugged models, everything feels well put together and built to last. Comfort has also been improved. The seats now offer better lumbar support, optional heating and ventilation, and more adjustability. Cabin insulation has been enhanced, reducing road and engine noise significantly. Rear passengers get more legroom and USB-C ports, making this truck more practical for family use as well. Chevrolet has also packed in more safety tech. You'll find forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control as part of the standard or optional packages. The 2026 S10 aims not just to be tough, but also smart and safe. Another new addition that deserves mention is the inclusion of over-the-air software updates. This means the truck's tech systems, including the infotainment and driver assists, can be kept up to date without needing a trip to the dealership. Fuel efficiency has also seen a boost, thanks to engine tuning and weight-saving materials. The diesel variant offers excellent mileage for long hauls, while the gasoline model keeps it competitive in urban settings. Whether you need it for work, weekend adventures, or a bit of both, the 2026 S10 strikes a compelling balance. Chevrolet seems to understand what their audience wants in a midsize pickup, and they've delivered something that feels both familiar and refreshingly modern. With its tough exterior, much improved interior, enhanced tech, and serious capability, the new S10 looks ready to compete hard in 2026. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet S10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Motorvision. We've got more reviews, first looks, and in-depth comparisons coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.